The atmosphere inside that courtroom was unmistakably intense. The kind of tension you don't just feel. You can almost see it hanging in the air. This wasn't a casual legal dispute. These were elite, high-profile attorneys on both sides. And from the moment proceedings began, it was clear there was deep hostility between the two legal teams. NBC Entertainment correspondent Chloe Melas was inside the packed New York City courtroom as Justin's lawyers pushed aggressively for the judge to dismiss Blake's sexual harassment case before it ever reaches a jury. Their argument was firm, calculated, and strategic, but for now, the judge chose not to issue an immediate ruling. However, according to NBC legal analyst Misty Marris, a decision may not be far off. After reviewing the arguments presented in court and examining the mountain of filed documents, Marris believes this legal battle is far from over and very likely headed toward a full trial. And behind the scenes, the situation is even more explosive. Newly unsealed messages reveal that Blake Lively and her husband, Ryan Reynolds, quietly reached out to some very powerful Hollywood allies, Ben Affleck and Matt Damon, amid their escalating feud with Justin Baldoni. According to messages reviewed by Access, the couple asked the Good Will Hunting stars to review Blake's cut of It Ends With Us, hoping to rally support for her version of the film over Justin's. Blake reportedly claimed she had rewritten and restructured nearly the entire script herself. In a group chat dated May 17, 2024, involving Matt Damon and his wife Luciana, Ryan, who has previously worked closely with Matt, described the movie as one of the most intense experiences of his career, both on set and behind the scenes. He even joked that one day, someone would make a movie about the making of this movie. Blake followed up with a far more raw and emotional message. She wrote that the project nearly broke her, describing the director, co-star, producer, financial decision-maker, and studio authority as, incredibly, all being the same person. She claimed that individual had no experience, no taste, and what she described as an outsized ego, fueled by what she alleged was cult-like behavior and a belief that he was some sort of prophetic figure. Despite the severity of her claims, Matt Damon's response was calm and compassionate. He told Blake that his family was willing to help in any way they could. That same day, Blake also reached out directly to Ben Affleck, someone who had previously directed and acted alongside her in the 2010 film The Town. In past interviews, Blake had spoken positively about Ben, praising the supportive and healthy environment he created on set, saying she felt genuinely backed by him as a co-star and collaborator. Her email to Ben reportedly opened with humor, beginning with, "Ben, it's Blake, don't hang up."